In this question, we're asked to predict the product of a reaction between a strong acid, perchloric acid, and water, which will act as the base. And in several other videos on this playlist, you can see some examples of strong acids and weak acids interacting with water. In fact, this exact example is on an earlier video on this playlist. However, let's take a look at it again from a slightly different perspective, where it's the only objective of the question. So in this case, perchloric acid is going to act as the acid, and water is going to act as a base. So perchloric acid will donate a proton as an acid to water, which will accept the proton as a base. We'll end up with H3O plus. And H3O plus is water plus an extra proton. It will be aqueous. Plus, what's left after this donates a proton is ClO4. It was neutral, and now it's minus. In this case, water is a base. H3O plus is the conjugate acid of water as a base. In this case, perchloric acid is an acid, and perchlorate here is the conjugate base. And this leads us to conjugate acid-base pairs. And I just realized I forgot to write the state of matter, but this ion is soluble in water, so it's aqueous. So the answers here are H3O plus aqueous and ClO4 minus aqueous. But if you were looking for the conjugate acid or the conjugate base, you can find them in this way.